2017, and the dog on 2024. Different sizes, but still, they were kind of good partners. I don't know, just because the girl was the dog and the boy was the cat doesn't mean it doesn't matter. It matters because they didn't make babies. I wish they made babies, but they didn't. I wish they made it. So actually, so we could be famous, but every animal cannot make babies. So if you wanted to ask if I had two dogs, no. But a long time ago, I think, and we had one. Only they died, but still, they was like I didn't even exist then. I don't even know when, but still, here we go. This is the backstory of Kalarina and Ricky.